To move photos to an SD card on an Android phone, we'll first go to the File Manager. On my Samsung Galaxy, that's the My Files app. Yours might be called something else depending on what phone you're using. In the File Manager, we'll first locate the files we want to move. I can see my internal storage and SD card here, and I can browse the folders on both volumes. If the plan is to move photos taken with your camera, those are usually hiding in the DCIM folder, which is kind of confusing because there is a separate Pictures folder as well. Here I can view all my photos, and I can either choose the files I want to move, or I can simply move the entire folder. To move files and folders, you'll tap and hold them first, and then select everything that needs to be moved. Then you'll use the Move button on the bottom of your screen. On some Android versions, that Move button can be hidden behind the three dots. Now we can pick where these files are going to. On the top, I'll switch from internal storage to my SD card, and then on the card, I can pick the destination folder. I'm just going to replicate what was on the internal storage, and I'll put these in the DCIM folder, which is the default for files from the camera. Mine already had a camera folder here, so it's now asking if I'd like to replace the existing folder or rename the one that I'm moving. And that's it. Now when I navigate to the card and to the folder I picked, I can see all my photos there. You can also set your camera to automatically save all future photos and videos to your card instead of the internal storage. Open the camera and then tap these four little dots to open the camera settings. Then tap the gear icon to go to the main camera settings. Then scroll down until you see an option for Storage Location. Switch that to your card, and now all videos and photos taken on your phone will automatically be saved on your card instead of the internal storage. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.